Welcome to Running Deer Outdoor Adventures. On another adventure today, I'm gonna go attempt to plink some squirrels. I have my little youth model Rossi 22 with me. Let's see what we can come up with. Alright, so it's colder than hell out. I've been out here about 20 minutes, 30 minutes roughly, and I haven't seen a damn thing. The wind's ripping. It's starting to snow like hell. You can't see it. Might have to call it. So here it is. It's a little break open. It only comes up to about maybe my hip. Perfect little small game gun. Perfect for trapping. Now, growing up with this gun, killed rabbits, shot squirrels. It's been a good gun to me, and I hope to be giving this to one of my kids as they turn 12 in a couple years.